Hey guys, in this one, I'm going to go through collections in Shopify. So I'm going to add a new collection in my Shopify dashboard. I'll go through everything, editing it, all the criteria that you can use to create collections. Then I'm going to put that collection into my Shopify website, both on the homepage and also in a menu as well. I'll also put way more useful tips and materials in the description. You can have a look at those if you want. But let's get into the computer and I'll show you how to add collections in Shopify. So a collection of products is basically just a list of products that you want to put together. Maybe they're in the same category, maybe they're all on sale, so you want them all together. And you can create collections automated or manually. Manually is putting them in yourself. Automated is giving some sort of criteria, and then Shopify will find all of those products and put them together. There are two ways to display collections also. You can put them in a collection list, for example, on the homepage. I'm on my homepage right now and I'm midway through editing this. So this is a collections list right here. And I have a collection already. It's called Bunches of Flowers. So it's displayed right here. And if I click on this, it takes me through to the special collection page. And right now I just have one product in here, which is this bunch of flowers. You can see it's displayed here. If I click on this, it then takes me through to the product page where I can go and purchase, and there's some color options as well. So that's really great, but there's also a second way, and that is putting collections up in the top header bar. So maybe I could create another header right here that says roses or flowers or whatever product category that you want, women's, men's, kids, t-shirts, whatever it may be, you can put that there, and then you can either go straight to the collection page or you can have a drop-down menu. So for example, if I have men's here, you would then put some drop-down menus right here that would say t-shirts, shorts, or t-shirts, shorts, or maybe you have a collection on sale. So let's go through that. Firstly, we need to add some collections. So you want to go back to your dashboard. So let's just click on home. This is your Shopify dashboard right now. Let's go through to products and we can go through to collections, and then we can add a collection. You can see I've got two collections in here already. So I want to go up to create a new collection, and then it's going to ask us for the title and the description. I'm going to put coffee beans in here, and obviously it could be anything. Maybe you have a t-shirt sale or you have a spring sale or whatever that may be. You can title it. You can also put a description in here, the best coffee beans ever. And depending on which theme you have, this may or may not be displayed, this text right here. Images may be displayed. So let's just go and put an image in here, maybe of a coffee cup or something like that. Just drag it in and it will upload. And again, this image may or may not be displayed depending on which theme you're using. So I'm just going to use this image as illustration right now. Then as we come down, you've got this decision to make, either manually or automated. Using a manual collection, you have to go through and essentially put every single product in there yourself. And this may be great for you if you've just got a one-off sale. Maybe you've got a couple of items that you want to put in there for some reason, you can do that, or you can go through the automated route. When you do this, basically you have to give Shopify criteria as to which products it's going to draw into the collection. You can really easily do it by product tag, maybe product title. You can even do it by the weight, or if you want to sell off some stock that you've got left, you can go to inventory stock. Let's just go product title and contains. I'm going to put coffee in there. Then I can add another condition. Let's say you wanted to do a sale. There is something beside the product that is called compare at price. And that essentially allows you to list the item on sale. So the original price was, let's say 50. The current price is 40. You can include all products that are currently on sale in a collection. You come to compare at price and then you choose is equal to and then 0. That includes absolutely everything in your store that is now on sale and has a compare at price, obviously greater than 0, and then the price that it's currently at will obviously be on sale. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to press delete, but that is how you do it. Then coming down here, you can change the SEO for the page, because remember, this collection is essentially a new page that we're creating full of products. You can press edit website SEO, and this is the same as when you do create products. So you could possibly say coffee beans on sale like this, and then enter a description with loads of keywords. This is essentially for Google. Once you're happy with this and you're happy that Shopify is going to search for every product with coffee in the title and your other conditions, you can go ahead and press save, and that is a collection saved on Shopify. I can then go back to the collections page and see that the coffee beans collection is right there. Now what we can do is create two different ways of getting to that collections page. So let's go to our theme editor and we'll go to the home page and see how we can do that. First, we can come down to the collections list, which is in this theme. And we do have one collection already, bunch of flowers. So let's click on collections list and we can click on the second collection and edit this. We are going to select collection. Remember, we just added the coffee collection, so it should be in there to choose and it's right here. I'm going to click on this. Our theme displays this image. So that's really great as well. I can press select and then come out of there because I'm done editing it. This now is essentially a link to that product and collections page. We don't have to add any of those links in, but we've got that great image. If we click on that, that should take us through to the collections page. And as you can see, it is displaying one of our products that just has coffee in the title. It does have some other words as well, but it has successfully found the items in our store with the word coffee in it, and it's even got coffee beans, the name of the collection. So that's super easy. We can go back to home. It's right there for customers to discover. Now what I want to do is add that collection, the coffee beans collection, also up here in the header section. That's really cool if you want it to stand out and you want people to come and click on it, because this is obviously well seen by all customers. So let's go back to our dashboard, and what we're going to have to do is go into our online store down here, then go through to navigation because we need to edit this. Now we want to edit the main menu, as you can see here. So let's click on that. And right now we have home, blog, shop, and menu. That links up to these four here. So let's change this. I'm actually going to take away this menu. So I'm just going to delete that straight away. That doesn't link to anything. I'm going to go and add menu item right now, and I'm going to call this coffee, just as simple as that. Now I need to link it to my collection, so I can just press right here and it's going to give me some options. You can link it to anything you want. We obviously want to choose this one, collections, and it will give me all the collections I have. I'm going to go to coffee beans right here. Do I want to filter the collection with tags? No, I don't. Unhappy. So I'm going to press add on that one. So that is now a menu item. I'm going to click on save and then go through to the theme editor once more. Just going to refresh this one. And you can see it right there, coffee. So we've added that menu item in the back end, in the dashboard, and then we have it here. So if you click on that, it will go through to our coffee beans page. But there's also another really cool thing that you might want to do. You might want to have this menu right here as coffee, but a drop down menu in here for coffee beans or a coffee bean sale. So let's do that. What we have to do is come and edit this menu item. So come and click edit. We don't want this as a link. So we're going to take this away right here. We're going to put this sign in here, which is a hash key. We call it hash in the UK anyway. So we're going to apply changes on that one. Then we're going to add a new menu item and we're going to put coffee beans sale or something like that just for that collection. Now we do want to link it up to that collection that we had. So we go coffee beans right here and we click add. These two though are still two different menu items, so we don't want that. We want to click on these dots here and we want to drag this to the right. Then the coffee beans sale is now basically a child within the parent menu that is coffee. So let's click on save and see how that looks on the website. So we'll go through and just refresh this. And you can see right now we have coffee, which is obviously going to be a main menu within a coffee website. And right underneath, we have the coffee beans sale. If we click on that, it's going to take us through to our coffee beans selection. So you can create basically an automated sale collection. You can create different collections that maybe have socks or shorts or t-shirts within the main section that is men's. However it works for you, but that is creating automated product collections and putting them in menus and also on your site to be seen. Check out the description for way more information and help with Shopify, including more tutorials. If the video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.